Welcome to Sharius channel. Today I'll show you how to use Google Chrome Remote Desktop to achieve remote access and support. This video will introduce 3 parts. 1. Download and install Chrome Remote Desktop. Firstly, log into your Google account. Then go to https://remotedesktop.google.com, access. Here I choose remote access for an example. In the Setup Remote Access bar, click on the blue downloading button. When the Chrome Remote Desktop window pops up, click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. Then the Chrome Remote Desktop has been added to Chrome. Prompt will show at the upper right corner. In the Ready to Install bar, click on Accept and Install. Double-click on the Chrome Remote Desktop. Then the Chrome Remote Desktop will be added to Google Chrome. Use Chrome Remote Desktop for remote access. Section 1. Set up remote access. You need to set up remote access to your computer first. Click Turn on to set up remote access. In the Choose a Name bar, enter a name for your computer. Then click on Next. Set a PIN. Then click on Start. Then the remote access will be set up to your computer successfully. Section 2. Access a remote desktop. In the Sign In page, log in to your same Google account on another computer or mobile device. Then go to https://remotedesktop.google.com, access. Now you can find the desktop you set up last time. Just click on it. Enter the PIN and click on the arrow on the right. Then you can access your remote desktop successfully. 3. Use Chrome Remote Desktop for remote support. When you want to share your screen with your friends, or get remote support from them, you can use the Remote Support feature in Chrome Remote Desktop. Click Remote Support on your computer. Click Generate Code and share the screen bar. Send the code to your friends in 5 minutes. Your friends should log in to their Google account on their computer. Then go to https://remotedesktop.google.com, access. Click on Remote Support. Enter the code in the Connect to another computer bar. Then click on Connect within the same 5 minutes. In the prompt, click on Share. After that, you will share your desktop with your friends. That's all for the video.